Instead of guessing which data you need, Minexa.ai instantly discovers and ranks fields, so you can quickly scrape multiple bond investment listings from londonstockexchange.com with ease. Go to the londonstockexchange.com page, holding your data. Minexa reads the fully rendered DOM and prepares extraction automatically. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension now. One simple panel lets you go from any web page to structured data instantly. Click the violet button. I'm on the right page, so Minexa.ai can analyze the page and detect the bond listings automatically.
Minexa.ai has detected pagination here. It will scrape all pages automatically every time your scraper runs.
Choose whether to scrape a lightweight list or extract full details from every linked page for deeper bond data.
Click Continue when all data is visible. Switch to Advanced mode if you need interactions before results show.
Minexa.ai highlights the detected HTML container. Confirm and click Create Scraper to build a reusable scraper. All fields are now identified: text, links, nested data. You can select exactly what you want or include everything at once for your bond listings.
Developers, click the API Request button to get Python code. Switch between quick field extraction or full-page scraping as needed.
Review and complete configuration to save your scraper. Every future extraction follows this exact setup automatically. Minexa.ai confirmed multi-page extraction. Your scraper will move through all result pages without stopping. Validate your scraping job, then set a schedule if you want Minexa.ai to rerun it automatically and keep your data fresh. Now hit run. Your dataset of bond listings is generated and ready for export to Excel, JSON, or Google Sheets immediately. All data was extracted automatically, including JavaScript content and delayed data. You can see bond names, issue dates, yields, prices, and maturity details here. Download your data easily. Fields with no data appear blank, so your file only contains real values from the page. One scraper, built once, runs forever. That's the power Minexa.ai gives you for extracting data from any website you choose.